Okay, so number 6b says the sink coating on a drain pipe is exposed to air and water. So we know water is both an OA and an RA. So we have sink, oxygen, and water. So water is both an OA and an RA. Sink solid is down here as an RA. And remember that we found oxygen earlier, not there, here, linked with water as an OA. Okay, so this is an RA, and oxygen linked with water is an OA. Which one is the strongest OA? It's going to be the oxygen one again. And which one is the strongest RA? You'll find it's the sink one that's lowest, closest to the bottom of the table. So write down your two half reactions. So it's that same oxygen half reaction we've used before. 2 oxygen gas plus 2 water plus 4 electrons goes to 4 OH negative aqueous. And then sink solid, set in solid, goes to set into positive aqueous plus 2 electrons. So the second one has to get multiplied by 2 to balance out the electrons. And so then we have 2 set in solid plus O2 gas plus 2 H2O liquid going to 2 set into positive aqueous plus 4 OH negative aqueous. Okay, and then the step, is it spontaneous? So here's my oxygen, and somewhere down here is my sink. Okay, I need to look around the thing. There it is. Okay, so definitely it is spontaneous. 1 to go. Not sure if I have enough room, but we'll try. 6C says, for use of in a titration, sodium hydroxide, so Na positive and OH negative aqueous, is added to a potassium, K positive, sulfite, SO3 2 negative, solution, H2O, liquid. All right, so we do our entities. I think we've already done several times that Na positive is about 5th from the bottom on the OA side. Potassium is even closer to the bottom on the OA side. Water is both an OA and an RA. All right, we've used the SO32 earlier. I don't know if you remember or not, but we did, and we found it on the RA side, right down here. Okay, so it's an RA, and we used it's linked with OH, by the way, for that. And we also found OH by itself. Remember, it was further up here, right there. So OH by itself is an RA, and OH linked with SO3 is an RA. And this guy is going to be the SRA. And what will be the strongest reducing agent? It's actually going to be the water, because remember how close these two were to the bottom? Okay, so our two half reactions will be 2H2O, and we've used this one before as our oxidizing agent, plus 2 electrons going to hydrogen gas plus 2 OH negative aqueous. We used it with this sodium, I think, earlier. And then SO3, 2 negative aqueous, plus 2 OH negative aqueous, goes to SO4, 2 negative aqueous, plus 2 water. I think we did one that was identical to this, but with different entities, plus 2 electrons. So the 2 electrons are going to cancel out. Oh, maybe it wasn't identical. One of the waters, right? And the 2 OHs are going to go. And so we're going to be left with, I have just enough room. We're going to be left with SO3 2 negative aqueous plus 1 water, H2O liquid on this side. On the other side, SO4 2 negative aqueous plus H2 gas. Now you might just want to do a little check, -2, -2, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 3, 4, 4. Yeah, it works. So I didn't screw up when I was canceling. And now we just have to check to see, is it spontaneous? So we have water, which is, move here. Water is here. SO3 is there. It is spontaneous, but you can tell it's not going to be very violent spontaneous, right? So spontaneous. And that is it. With the exception of 4 of these to submit to me to show me that you got it. That is Science 12-2 in a wrap.